Relationship is a complicated problem. There is no easy answer for relationship. People want relationship once they are in relationship, there are problems. There are so many reasons why relationships are in the first place difficult to take place because of various reasons why people are not able to attract for reasons like they are obese or not beautiful or not having money. There are so many mundane concerns for attracting a relationship. Age is also another concern. And I'm not going to go into any of that. Now I'm going to go into compatibility problems, like, well, we like each other, but we fight all the time. We are together, or there are issues of control. I want to control, or he wants to control. These issues are there. My solution to this relationship problem is spiritual. Astrology is a very important factor to look into. Two planets control relationship, Mars and Venus. If Mars becomes bad or afflicted in one's horoscope, then he creates a lot of issues in relationship. They are fighting all the time or difficult to attract relationship. Venus creates problems like incompatibility with emotions, either excessive emotion or no emotion at all. These kinds of issues. I am pretty sure, I am 100% sure that the remedy for relationship problems should come from fixing Mars and Venus in people's horoscopes.